awesome things that my mom found, and this is what I found. These are squishy pops, and they're from Big Lots. These are really cute. And this is like Nesquik, I guess. That's really, really crazy because we found this at Dollar Tree and it was like the last one. And it's like the glasses, and then you like the straw glasses. Okay, and we're gonna start off with the Nesquik. So now let's open it. I don't have scissors with me. So this is gonna be kind of hard. Maybe not. Yeah. It's definitely gonna be hard to open this thing. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's rubbery. Oh, you have to build it really. No, let me see. Can these come fit me? Oh, they do because they're rubber. Do I look like a nerd? Oh, snap. This is going to be hard. No. Let's... Mommy. My mom's doing that. We're going to open up the Squishy Pops. So now let's open this thing up. Yeah, this is really hard to open, guys. And by the way, there was Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash, and Twilight, and I got Twilight. And she's the Twilight that has wings. That's really awesome. Yeah. Go. And these are kind of, this is hard. They're not squishy. But there is a suction cup. Oh, whoa. So you just put this part in your mouth and then just put this part in your cup or anything like that. Or Nesquik anyways. There it goes. Then it goes all around and then it comes in the mouth. Stop. They just like put them like almost like your hair and then you just do that. That was hard. Go back to these things. And these are not really squishy. I don't know why these are called Squishy Pops, but okay. No, they pop. Squishy Pops are not very squishy, but they're squishy. Kind of squishy. And then they pop. Okay. Bouncy is very bouncy then. Super tiny, guys. And just get this away from babies because they might chew on it or anything like that. And then it's really gonna not be good for them. And it also comes with a bracelet. And the way how you put this on, I guess, like see they had like a line there because of the suction cup right there. There. We're just gonna stick that in here. Oh wait, no, that's backwards. We're just going to put it down. That's great. And now we're going to show you the charms. Okay, I didn't really do it quite right, but oh well. So I guess this thing gets off. And then here's like her little charm thing. Well, it's not really like a charm, but it's really small. And it has her cutie mark. And this is her little bead. And it's really tiny too. And this will like, let's put everything back on the bracelet. Okay, so then when you get more of the squishy pops, you can start to like put like the beads that you get on your bracelet. So let's get this on. Okay. And now we get this on. Work with me. Oh well. No, oh wells. No! Oh. My mom's gonna do it because apparently I cannot do it. Here's the rest of the stuff. These funky looking glasses. They go rating. Okay. Yeah. Like, so weird. Yeah. Okay. That side down. My mom got it. So this is how the bracelet looks like. I'm gonna put this on with my charm bracelet. Yeah. Okay, there we go. That's quite big, but still is a bracelet. This fell. Oh no, this is gonna be difficult. Oh, okay. This is not quite tight though. That's funny. Okay, my charms are printing it on. Holy moly. The charms all hold my, oh, there goes the purse. There goes the purse. Looks really cute, and that's all I have for today. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!